Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Play Store. So let's get into it. First of all, open your phone settings. Tap Apps and Notification. Tap See All Apps. Scroll down and select Google Play Store. Tap Enable. Tap Open. Now you can search and browse for content to download. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.